Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this 4K Wi-Fi hunting action camera. So they provide you with a manual, and this is it. Let's see, there should be some accessories down here. So you got your mounting accessories. Make sure you pull this tray off because there's more accessories down in the bottom. So you got your power cable, plug, looks like cover, battery, might be a spare battery, we'll see, cleaning cloth, your tools, and everything needed. So yes, they give you a battery plus an SD card as well, and you just take the bottom cap off for charging. This is what it looks like. Power button, camera on the front. Alright, when you press it and turn it on, press it again, it lights up red and it's blinking, so I believe it is recording. We'll test out the quality in a bit here, but you can connect to Wi-Fi. It shows you the battery level and everything to connect to it. Make sure you refer to your manual for more features on how to connect the Wi-Fi app and all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and test out the footage because that's what most people want to know. They want to see how the footage looks like. So double press to change modes. Let's see, we got normal. If we, there we go. Still getting used to changing it and stuff, changing the display and whatnot. But yeah. Alright guys, H4K. This is me holding it still now. So this is just nice and still. Little bit of rotating here. But for the most part, we're trying to be as still as we can as we move it around here a little bit. Not trying to jerk it around. So that is on H4K. I think H4K is better, but you guys can test everything out. Alright guys, so this says H4K. So this is what it looks with H4K selected. So I don't know how it looks, but yeah, H4K.